Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you where the pollen filter is located on a 2008 Hyundai I10. So you need to walk around to the left side of the car, open the door. Before I do that, here is the part number for the pollen filter in this car. This is what it looks like. This is a man filter, quite a good quality filter. So we open the glove box and we need to remove these two clips. Now they're a bit fiddly, and what you need to do is prise the bottom out and slide them down, and they'll probably just come detached and land inside the glove box. You might need a screwdriver to help you with this. As you can see, you can just push the bottom in towards the glove box there, and then it's a little bit awkward, but you pull them down and they should come detached like that. And repeat the same on the other side, and then you're ready to fold the glove box down. And then you're left with this, and your pollen filter is up here in this little slot. Once you take the cover off, you'll notice there's an arrow on it to give you direction of flow, airflow for the pollen filter. So just make sure you get the filter the same direction as the arrow. You'll have an arrow on your filter. There you go, this one's very dirty. Hope this helps some of you. See you in the next video, guys.